Notice your Norwegian forest cat acting differently. Perhaps they seem less playful or more withdrawn. This could be a serious warning sign. Many owners overlook crucial indicators of health issues, and beneath that beautiful fur, inadequate grooming might be hiding risks you can't see. You might think, "My cat looks fine," but appearances can be deceiving. Imagine this: you're relaxing on the couch with your cat curled up beside you, but under that thick coat, problems could be festering. Fur mats can trap moisture and dirt, leading to skin infections that often go unnoticed. You might brush your cat occasionally, but that's not enough. Those lovely tufts can conceal serious issues. Have you felt any unusual lumps or bumps? As you pet your cat, you might discover a hard knot. It's not just a clump of fur, it could signal deeper skin issues. Ignoring these knots can lead to pain and severe infections. And what about shedding? Fur balls scattered around your home might seem normal, but excessive shedding can indicate stress or a skin problem, so warning you can't afford to ignore. Poor grooming can even lead to dental issues. Yes, a neglected coat can impact your cat's overall health, including their teeth. Remember, the Norwegian forest cat's unique coat requires special care. It's not just about looking good, it's vital for their health. For the look at the You might also notice behavioral changes, like increased aggression or lethargy, as stress from discomfort manifests in unexpected ways. Your own friendly cat might hiss when you try to show them affection. So, what's the solution? Regular grooming is essential for your cat's health. It can help you avoid costly vet visits and emotional turmoil later on. Consider making grooming a bonding experience, a soothing ritual that builds trust and reduces stress. Plus, you can catch hidden problems before they escalate. Reflect on your grooming habits and what your Norwegian forest cat truly needs. It's about more than just fur, it's about their health, happiness, and enjoying a long life together. Before you pet your cat next, ask yourself, have I done enough? Your furry friend depends on you. Have you ever looked at your Norwegian forest cat and thought, what secrets are you hiding? This curiosity is common, but those secrets might be affecting your cat's health more than you realize. Many cat owners overlook the hidden health risks of improper grooming. You might think, they look fine, their fur is beautiful. But beneath that lovely coat, there could be issues brewing. Picture this: you come home to find your cat hiding under the bed, completely ignoring you. You might dismiss it as just a quirky mood, but what if it's something more serious? Stress signals in Norwegian forest cats often go unnoticed, and poor grooming can significantly contribute to their distress. Consider your usually sociable cat suddenly avoiding you. You might shrug it off, thinking, well, cats will be cats. However, if their grooming routine has been neglected, those tangled patches of fur could lead to painful matting, skin infections, or even more severe problems. You might assume your cat's stress comes from a noisy environment or a shift in routine, but what if it's linked to their grooming? Cats are experts at hiding discomfort, and inadequate grooming could be causing them anxiety. Let's be honest, you might think, I brush them once a week, that should suffice. But what if I told you that's not nearly enough? Norwegian forest cats, with their thick, beautiful coats, require much more attention. Neglecting their grooming can lead to escalating issues. Imagine walking into a grooming shop and hearing the vet say, "Your cat has serious skin problems due to matting." Your heart sinks as you realize you missed the signs. That's a moment no pet owner wants to face. The anxiety your furry friend is feeling could have been avoided with a bit more care and attention. So, how can you alleviate this hidden stress? It's not just about brushing, it's about creating a grooming routine that works for both you and your cat. You can make grooming enjoyable by incorporating playtime, turning it into a fun experience rather than a chore. But the key takeaway here goes beyond grooming. It's about recognizing the close link between your cat's emotional and physical health. Pay attention to those subtle signals. They're your cat's way of telling you something is right. As you reflect on this, think about what small changes you can make to your grooming routine. Thank to your groom. Wow, wow, chill, and you right. Your Norwegian forest cat deserves the best care, and being proactive could mean the difference between a happy, healthy cat and one dealing with hidden stress. So, what will you do next? You know that feeling when everything seems fine, but then you discover something lurking beneath the surface. If you have a Norwegian forest cat, this might be your reality. Many cat owners don't realize the hidden health risks tied to grooming. You might think brushing is just a fun bonding activity, but it's actually crucial for your cat's well-being. Picture this: your cat's fluffy fur glistening in the sunlight as you stroke its luxurious coat, and it purrs contentedly. But beneath that beautiful exterior,